Chapter
13. Birds are animals too. We know that animals are living beings. They grow, eat, move and breathe. Birds are also animals. They can fly in the sky. They have wings to help them fly. They have beaks to eat grains and pick small fish and insects. They hop or walk around on their two legs, and rest of the time they fly. Birds lay eggs. Chick hatch out of the egg after a few days. Birds that cannot fly are called flightless birds. Do you know there are some birds that cannot fly? Cock or hen, penguin, ostrich, kiwi. Do you know peacock is our national bird? We must be kind to animals and birds. We should never hurt them. We should place grains and water for the birds in the garden or on our terrace.